To schedule the drone spraying service, Kisan Sathi should follow these simple steps using the Kisan Linked app. Click on plus icon. Select Services. Select Drone Service. Click on Book Now. Choose Farmer. And upload an image of your farm. Enter the number of acres to be sprayed and the date range. Then press Continue. Your drone request will be submitted, and you will receive multiple bids for the service request. To check the bids, click on Drone Services and select the one that suits you best in terms of price, date, and time slot. Click on Accept Bid. Once the spraying service is scheduled, check the schedule by clicking on Drone Service. When the spraying is completed, click on Spraying Done.